First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for your support, for being here for the family. Asanteni sana kwa kuja na for supporting us financially as well. So on behalf of the family, I'd like to say thank you. I'll just go ahead and read the tribute. My Jahmby. I'll finish it. I'll miss you. I'll miss how your laughter filled the room. For so long, you are home. Wherever you were, I knew I'd be safe. You were there for me when we were happy. You were there for me when we were sad. When I messed up, and I messed up a lot. But you sat in your love for me, and you held me through and through. You did this for the whole family, even when you didn't have enough for yourself. I hope you know you are loved. I have so much to say. I just wish you were here still so I could say it to you. I will miss you every day. I will remember you. I love you, baby, forever.
Pole sana, pole sana. Sasa ni community ya satellite.